Welcome to week 10. This is the final week of Fundamentals of Nutrition first summer session. I hope you've enjoyed this course. It's been a very full semester with a lot of details to cover each week, with reading, assignments, and weekly quizzes. I know it has been a lot of work for you. This week I've intentionally not assigned chapter readings or assignments because I want you to take this time to review and prepare for the final exam, which is a comprehensive exam covering all of the chapters 1 through 16. One exception is Quiz 7, and that is scheduled for the early part of this week. What will help you with the final is to go back and review all of the quizzes and exams that you've taken. You should be able to do this by clicking on those in the gradebook. Most of the questions on the final are those you've already seen. Quiz 7 is only available the early part of this week, and the final exam opens on Thursday and will be available through Saturday night only. I hope the week goes well for you as you prepare. It's been a pleasure having you, and I hope you've captured a few pearls of wisdom to help you personally in your wellness journey, or possibly professionally if you are in the health and wellness fields. Please feel free to reach out if you have anything you would like to share about the course. Have a productive week. I wish you good luck on the final, and do have a great summer. If you're a dietetic program student, I look forward to seeing you in the fall in DIT 102 and 103. Have a wonderful summer, everyone.